This scene changed cinema history.
Pizza time.
Ever since the release of 2002's Spider-Man 2, the character Spider-Man's been synonymous with pizza culture. Portrayed by the young and upcoming actor Tobey Maguire, the actor in question has done a spectacular performance as the titular character. But what was considered a game-changer within the comic book movie landscape was the inclusion of pizza. Never before within any comic book adaptation has a character ever mentioned pizza. And this scene alone wouldn't have been as impactful if it wasn't for the performance of Maguire, who was only 21 during the making of the film. As a matter of fact, the award-winning actor's performance was so impactful it even inspired the devs of the PlayStation 2 game Spider-Man 2. PlayStation 2 to create a game mode based around Spidey's most iconic part-time job, pizza delivery. The inclusion of the minigame helped elevate Spider-Man's association with pizza even higher. Not even Andrew Garfield's films were safe from pizza either. Just take a look at this emotional scene right here.
You're a fraud, Spider-Man!
Did you see it? Look at the table. It's right here, right on the table. Even Tom Holland's Spider-Man first outing shows him wearing a pizza t-shirt. Wouldn't you believe it? Oh, and we can't forget Spider-Verse as well. A lot of pizza in that movie too. It's not only limited films though. Even within the PlayStation 4 exclusive title, simply called Spider-Man PlayStation 4, has various references to pizza throughout its story, and most prominently in one of the DLCs, you get to see Spider-Man eating a pizza. But as we all know, the game is trash because there's no pizza missions like in the PlayStation 2 version of the game. Did I miss any pizza references in other Spider-Man media? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure to like and subscribe.